Hey, what's going on? It's your girl Bulama. Welcome to another video. So this is my sister learning how to drive. Let's watch and see what happens.
Turn the ignition on and use a button and adjust it.
Dad's giving her some instructions, telling her what to do.
Adjust both mirrors so you
Hey,
can see
girl.
what's doing.
Kristen's adjusting the mirrors and then wants to know why she needs the mirrors.
What am I adjusting it for? What am I supposed to look for?
So you can see both ways.
Alright.
If it was okay, I didn't trouble it. So probably you shouldn't trouble it because
I don't think mommy uses it anyways.
you got to use suppose.
Alright, this is the brake.
Hold on, look.
It was at this moment that my dad should have known
Adjust this too because
that this was going to go left. Kristen asked, "Where is the brake?"
Okay.
Okay. So you know what brake is? We can help if you're making a mistake though. You're gonna take a spin here. Hi.
I'm just showing you that I know where it is.
Yeah, okay. So hold on, put your foot on the brake. No, the other foot. You put your right foot right.
Okay.
And put it in the reverse. I thought you do some practice before.
Barely.
So you'll have gone down the road before?
No.
So it's a big chance I take with you now.
Kinda.
We shouldn't take you, we should drive here, I know. Come on.
I know too many cars.
No, it's okay. Put it in reverse. In R. See the indication right there, sir? Alright, turn the lock.
Turn it which way?
This way.
Oh.
Yeah, go backward. So, okay.
What's on the brake?
He's above the brake now. He's above the brake now? Yeah, now watch what you're going. He's above the brake. Complete above the brake. Get some gas. Get a little gas.
I'm going slowly.
Get a little gas.
Dad, I'm not gonna give it gas. I don't want to hit anybody's car.
This should have been my dad's second indication that something was going to go left.
You started to dictate to me now before you even. Listen, when you're driving out of a park, put a little brake on it. Stop the car. Stop it. Turn out. Put it in the drive. Wait, this guy's coming out.
So this should have been my dad's third indication that something was going to go left.
Go on up. It's just hold the brake. Hold on. You know where I make it tonight. No. No, Christian. You forget what we feel.
I told you I needed more lesson. I told you I needed more lesson.
I thought you get a good driving before.
That was a fail.
One up, look, Christian.
What?
One up. It's just hold the brake. Hold the brake. Hold on. You know where I make it today. No, Christian.
I told you I needed more lesson.